Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog food for Border Collie puppies that are available on the market for their true quality. This list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Blue Buffalo Homestyle Recipe Natural Puppy Wet Dog Food. Blue Buffalo Homestyle Recipe Natural Puppy Wet Dog Food offers a robust solution with its chicken-rich formula. The Pate-style concoction serves high-quality protein from real chicken, ensuring the proper muscle growth that these active pups require. Moreover, because Border Collie puppies are such quick learners, the inclusion of DHA in this diet aids in cognitive development, a vital component for training and mental stimulation. This wet dog food goes beyond basic nutrition. It's an amalgam of carefully selected ingredients designed to cater to a growing pup's well-being. With no corn, wheat, or soy, which can sometimes cause allergies or digestive issues for sensitive dogs like Border Collies, owners can feel confident about avoiding common irritants. Moving on at number 4, we have the Natural Balance Salmon and Brown Rice Formula Dry Puppy Food. Natural Balance LID Limited Ingredient Diet Salmon and Brown Rice Formula Dry Puppy Food is a nourishing choice that caters to their growing needs. The foundation of any good training regimen starts with nutrition, and this premium dog food delivers essential amino acids from real salmon, the #1 ingredient, to support the development of robust muscles necessary for herding or agility work, which Border Collies are famous for. The inclusion of whole grain brown rice fortifies your pup's diet with fiber, promoting healthy digestion, a crucial aspect considering the high energy levels of this breed. Moreover, as it's crafted in the USA using some of the finest ingredients without common allergens like gluten, you can be confident you're reducing potential irritants that could hamper your puppy's well-being. At number 3, we have the Hill Science Diet Puppy Food. Hill Science Diet Puppy Chicken Meal and Brown Rice Recipe Dry Dog Food is crafted with these needs in mind, providing a foundation for thriving during the crucial stages of growth. The inclusion of high-quality protein aids in building lean muscle, which is especially beneficial for Border Collies who often excel in agility and other demanding activities. This specific formula includes DHA from fish oil, an essential component that supports healthy brain and eye development, a must-have for this highly trainable breed. Owners can find peace of mind knowing they're feeding their pups a food that promotes strong bones and teeth with its carefully selected minerals. At number 2, we have the Chicken Soup Large Breed Puppy Food. The Chicken Soup Large Breed Puppy Food is crafted with the nutritional needs of a growing Border Collie in mind, ensuring that energetic pups can thrive and develop at their best. As Border Collies are known for their intelligence and active lifestyle, this food supports brain development with DHA and sustains physical activity through high-quality protein sources. The recipe strikes an excellent balance, providing rich flavors alongside holistic health benefits. One standout feature that resonates well with Border Collie owners is the inclusion of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which contribute to a lustrous coat, essential for maintaining your pup's shiny black and white fur in show-worthy condition. Moreover, the added calcium and phosphorus promote robust bones and teeth, key factors considering the breed's agility work tendency. And finally, at number 1, we have the CANIDAE Pure Puppy Real Salmon and Oatmeal Recipe. CANIDAE Pure Puppy Real Salmon and Oatmeal Recipe fulfills these requirements with its high-quality, premium ingredients. The real salmon as the first ingredient provides the essential amino acids vital for muscle development and cognitive growth, a must-have for such an active breed. Adding to this are omega-3 and 6 fatty acids present in the recipe, which promote healthy skin and a glossy coat, ensuring your Border Collie puppy not only feels great, but looks stunning too. The blend of whole grains like oatmeal, barley, and sorghum included in this formula offers sustained energy release throughout the day, perfect for keeping up with your pup's herding instincts. It's also crafted without corn, wheat, or soy, ideal if you're cautious about common allergens affecting your puppy's sensitive stomach. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.